Hi family, welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Today I'm just out in the garden, just getting it ready for my spring planting. I told you on one of the other videos that I wanted to put up a trellis right by the doorway. That is done. I'm gonna let you see that, flip you around and let you see. There it is. I hope you can see it in the sun. Move you this way a little bit. I put up a gate and I have that solar panel up for the deer. I have to complete running the wire to the solar panel and it's just charging now. But there's the gate where you come in, and here is the trellis that will be holding the cucumbers. I've also been working down here. I ran the wire on the other side, and I know you can't see that because of the sun. So, and I've been working down here to get the soil ready for planting some flowers and my vegetables. But my main thing today will be cleaning out this strawberry bed. Now they say you should replace your strawberries every 3 to 5 years, because after that time they stop producing well. So this is only going to be 2 years this year, so I'm going to clean it out, show you a little bit of cleaning it out and getting it reconditioned, rejuvenated for this year. I will be cleaning it this time, but I will have to go get something like Happy Frog or something, compost to put over it, and it will be ready for spring. Now the best time to do this is a little earlier than I'm doing it, but there's not a lot of growth. I can see the the strawberry plants in here, but they haven't grown up and they're definitely not flowering yet. So I'm gonna let you watch a little bit to see what I do. The first thing I'm gonna do is to get a rake and rake up all these extra leaves in here. And of course the rocks, because I have so much rocks in my soil on the hillside. And as you hopefully can see, it just makes it look a lot better. Once I finish, I'm going to go in and pull out the weeds, because the rake is not getting the weeds. Now it will pull out some of the bigger vines, which is okay, because you don't need all that growth in your strawberry patch. And I will take these and put them in the compost. But I'm going to continue doing this, and I'm going to pull out all the weeds, and I'll bring you back and let you see how it looks when I'm finished. Well, family, I am just about done. It is almost sunset. I have worked hard. The hardest part was getting out the weeds without tearing all my little strawberries up. Last year I had a really great harvest, so I'm praying this year that it will be the same. I see a lot of little strawberries coming up out of the ground. I have one more section back here that I need to get the weeds out. But for the most part, I did pretty well. There were some sections where some of the strawberries, the roots came back out of the ground while I was pulling up the weeds. And all I did was to bury them back in the ground. And I'm going to give it a quick watering, and they should still produce some good strawberries, Lord willing. Sometimes you just got to get in there and get the weeds out of your life, out of your strawberry patch, out of your life also. Clean everything up. And actually, we can't even do it. We can't clean ourselves. The Lord says, David said to the Lord, give me a clean heart and renew a right spirit within me. Lord, clean the weeds out of my life so that I can serve you and be what you would have me to be. So with that said, I'll bring you back when strawberries try to start growing and you can see the progress. But for now, from the Hillside Homestead, the day is almost over, but make it a great one. Whatever you have left, be a blessing, and God bless you too. And we'll see you next time on the Hillside Homestead. And I can't show you the sunset because it is behind the house, but I will show you the beautiful scenery. And soon and very soon, those trees will be full of leaves. God bless you, family.